Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am telling about professional self introduction. How to introduce ourselves. First of all, greeting. By the time. By the time means good morning or good afternoon or good evening. Next, name. So many people use myself. So myself is wrong. Don't use this one. My name is also not used. So we want to use I am. I am your name. Next, place. I hail from. I hail from your place and now settled in something in Vijayawada or other. Next, academics. I am pursuing, not studying. I am pursuing BTech first year or first to second and fourth year final year in the stream of your branch EEE or ECE or CSC. Next, going to strength. Strength means what strength you have. First of all, so many people say I am hardworking. So don't use this. Use I am a workaholic and something self-motivated or quick learner. Use this. Next, coming to my family. My family consists of 4 or 5 members. Mention a number here. And my father is a farmer or other, and my mother is a housewife or homemaker. And coming to hobbies, you doing daily one thing. I practice yoga. And so many people using here I am listening music is not your hobby, and daily you are do one thing. Mention here hobbies. Next, future goals. Future goal means you mention both short term goal and long term goals. You mention both. And finally, thank you. నా వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి.